In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write on Google Slides while presenting, sort of. This quick and straightforward tutorial will guide you through each step so you can enhance your presentations with live annotations. So let's dive right in. First, we're going to get started by navigating to Google Slides. Make sure you're on your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Slides or simply search for it. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. This will give you access to all the features we'll be exploring today. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. From here, you can either select an existing presentation or, as we'll do in this example, create a new blank presentation. So go ahead and click on blank presentation to create a fresh slate for our demo. Now that you're inside your new presentation, the next step is to access the slideshow view. To do this, look at the top of your screen and click on View in the menu bar. From the drop down that appears, select Slideshow. This launches your presentation in full screen mode, allowing you to engage more effectively with your audience. With the slideshow mode active, move your cursor down to the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where the slideshow controls are discreetly tucked away until you hover over them. Look for the three dots which indicate more options are available. Go ahead and click on these dots. Among the options that appear, you'll find one labeled Turn on the Pen. Clicking on this will enable a virtual pen feature within Google Slides. It's important to note that while you can't directly write on the slides with perfect accuracy as you might with a dedicated annotation tool, this pen tool allows you to make quick marks or highlight parts of your slide for better emphasis during your presentation. This feature is particularly useful for educators or business professionals who may want to stress certain points without breaking the flow of their presentation. While activated, you can click and drag your mouse across the screen to draw attention to specific areas, offering an interactive and engaging experience for your audience. And that's it, you've turned on the pen feature and are ready to enhance your presentations with on-the-fly annotations. Remember, practice makes perfect with these tools, so feel free to play around with this feature in your next mock presentation to get comfortable with it. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on how to write on Google Slides while presenting. We hope this helps elevate your future presentations, making them more dynamic and engaging. See you next time.